What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys it's all about Measurable Data Token MDT, which as you can clearly see has been pumping like crazy over the last 24 hours. As you can see, two huge green candlesticks can only mean one thing, guys. Yes, it has pumped up 69% in the last 24 hours, making it just over 5 cents. So where is this heading to next? Is it crypto to buy? Is it crypto to sell? If you're on a profit, should you buy into it right now? Is it too late? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, covering both buyers and the seller's point of view, and obviously as usual looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. A link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, the market is down just about 2%. However, MDT has managed to gain the top gainers list on the Coinbase website in the last 24 hours. And in the last hour itself, we managed to gain a massive 21% in a single hour, which is absolutely insane. Over the last day, 63%. As you can see, it wasn't even in the last 24 hours, but very early this morning, about 4 or 5 hours ago, or 3-4 hours ago, it started to pump up in value from about 3 cents all the way up to about 5 cents at the moment, nearly doubling up in value. Over the week, 77% up, and over the month, a massive 108%. As you can see, we've seen a little dip here in late June, and then since about very late June, early July, it's been going up in value quite consistently, which has been very, very good. So going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has gone up by, let me just refresh the page, I'm pretty sure it's much more than that. Yeah, 1000% in the last 24 hours, making it just under $41 million in trading volume, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on MDT. We're seeing a lot of investors as well as a lot of sellers selling out their crypto and taking out the profits. As you can see, 64% buy against 36% sell, meaning we still got a decent amount of people selling the crypto and taking out the profits and potentially reinvesting into MDT when it drops back down in value. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart, and we do have the purple line running across the chart here at the top, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of MDT at 0.03080, and it is performing at a much higher value, nearly double at 0.05005, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, as expected, we do have the blue and the orange line looking very steep, going in a bullish direction. However, that is not the case. If I went by what the graph is telling me, is basically over the next 12-14 hours, I'm going to have to be expecting the crypto to keep pumping in value consistently. But we all know that's not true. I am expecting it to drop back down in value, and it has already started to do so. And as I keep mentioning in most of my videos, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened to MDT right now, it has to take a little step back, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies here, and we can clearly see that is ongoing at the moment. So I am expecting it to drop down to about 0.0450, somewhere around here, and then peak back up in value, hitting potentially around the 6 cents target. It is going to be volatile. We are going to see a dip, we are going to see a peak, but towards the end of the day today, I am expecting it to fluctuate between 0.04 and 0.045, somewhere in between here towards the end of the day and early hours of tomorrow. Now, hourly chart, exact same reason. As you can see, the blue line and the orange line are looking very steep, going in a bullish direction. But again, guys, over the next couple of days, so I'm talking about towards the end of next week, I am also expecting it to take a little step back and drop back down in value, potentially dropping below the 4 cents target. So that's what I'm expecting by the end of next week. But that does not mean we're going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days when it's up, red days when it's down. But the overall outcome, once again, seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So sorry, what am I talking about? More on the negative side rather than the positive side. So do expect it to drop below the 4 cents target by the end of next week. Now, moving on to the big boy daily chart. As you can see, we are not looking too steep anymore, but we are slanting towards the positive direction, so an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected over the coming weeks. So late August, early September, we should hopefully be around the 7 to 8 cents target. But again, this all depends on how the crypto market performs in general, because if there are major crashes, then obviously MDT and most other cryptos are going to get affected in a negative way. However, if we do manage to go for a bull run and a major price pump on the crypto market, such as Bitcoin going to about 35k, then we are going to see a major increase in value on MDT and most cryptos out there as well. So to keep you guys updated as much as I can, and to make it easier for you guys so you get notifications, what I have done is created a Telegram group chat where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin every single day, what to expect, what to predict, is it moving in a positive or negative direction, what price target is likely to hit, because more or less most cryptos do follow a similar pattern to Bitcoin over the last however many months or years, and yeah, it's likely to carry on that way as well. So you guys, and I'll also be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling, so you guys can join the group chat by simply clicking on the link in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. so make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. So what does this subscription exactly include? So you're going to get put into two group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I'll show you guys daily updates on Bitcoin and my predictions on it. Obviously this is an old screenshot from about late May, that's why you're seeing Bitcoin at 29k. And I give you guys analysis and predictions on other cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. Again, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram. If not, the link is again in the description box down below. Now back to MDT. So as you guys can clearly see, we are on the resistance line here, the green line, which is at 0.05. That's where we are, and I'm expecting it to pump up in value, but over the next towards the end of the day, as I mentioned earlier, I'm expecting it to drop back down to the red zone and carry on fluctuating in the red zone over the next couple of days as well. But again, if you guys are predicting it to break out, let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see what your predictions and your opinions are on this crypto as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it guys for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end. And on that note guys, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.